Good morning, my name's Ben from Go Ahead Property Services, and today we have this fantastic tennis court to do. Now the garden has already been and they've scraped all the moss off, and to be honest it's looking 10 times better. It was like a carpet of moss before. Sorry I didn't get a chance to get a photo of it. So today we're going to pressure wash with flat surface cleaner, get it all looking nice, and then in a couple of days when it's all dried out we're going to be painting it green. You see the little sample colour there, and redoing the white lines. So follow me along, stick you on time lapse, and I'll speak to you later. Hi, so unfortunately the water pressure isn't as good here as I thought it was. I've done other parts of the property and the water pressure is really good, unbelievably good. Like my wheelie bin buffer tank stayed full the whole time, whereas now I'm having to wait again because it's gone empty. So it's time for me to go and make a cup of tea and throw this rubbish away, and then we'll crack on and continue. So here we are, the job is now complete. The tennis court is painted. Unfortunately the condition was so bad that we actually used quite a lot of the surface restorer. We've had to go a little thinner, one coat less around the outside, but the client is absolutely fine with that. So we'll have a look now and show you the results. Thank you for watching Go Ahead Property Services. We'll see you in the next one.